What deficiency causes cracking joints?
Most joint cracking is mechanical and harmless. Tiny gas bubbles popping or tendons snapping over bone. There isn't one vitamin deficiency that directly causes painless cracking. Nutritional gaps like vitamin D deficiency and very rarely severe vitamin C deficiency can cause joint pain, weakness, or connective tissue problems that may lead to symptomatic joints. If your joints crack and hurt, get evaluated. Ask about basic blood tests, imaging, and targeted treatment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.